West Bully Kennels and Life. Welcome to Deep Reno West Bully Kennels and Life. We up here in Kansas City right now, or Wichita, Kansas, whichever you want to call it. And I seen this exotic pet store, and I had to come and check it out. I wanted to come and check it out, so now we here, and we about to go in here and check this out. Let's see how it go. Let's see what's happening, guys. So I really came in here to be kind of Pacific, because you know I like iguanas and everything like that. So I'm in here to see what's going on.
What is in there? Mom, what is in this one?
I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything. Let y'all see. And I am recording off the phone. So. Look at that right there. I don't know what that is. Let's see. A Cuban false chameleon. Oh, it's up here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When I was younger, I grew up having these bearded dragons. Yeah. I don't know. I love this kind of stuff, you know, pet stores and everything. I just love seeing the pets and how they grow and just how they life develop. I'm looking in there. I don't really see nothing. I'm trying to find where it is, but I'm not sure. Oh, right there. There go a baby one. Oh yeah, they got the exotics for sure. Man, peep this one right here. He's nice and he's big. Well, they don't know the gender because it says gender NA. So look in here. Oh, you see the snake in there? Man, I love this kind of stuff right here. Man, I seen the bearded dragon. I'm loving that.
No, it's not over there. It's not over there.
Have somebody that has questions about leopard
Gecko. Well, if you don't come out, my number.
Oh, what is this right here? So we're looking for this right here, and you know it's gonna blend in. So you have to look very hard to even find where it is. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to find it. I'm looking. It might be down in there somewhere because it's not visible. So if y'all see it, let me know. But I'm peeping, I'm looking, I'm checking it out. You know I came in here looking for iguanas because I love iguanas. As I said a little bit ago, and I know a lot of them is extinct by now, or they're going in extinction. But I love iguanas. Oh man, look at this one. Let's see if we can get the front of it. Oh yes, this is exactly what I'm talking about. I love these. I wish they had some smaller ones. This is a rhino iguana. That's probably why I got the knots on top of the head. But look at this, man. I love this kind of stuff. Look at it, it's watching me. Hey, it's watching me. I don't know if he wants to come or do he want to go. Look. Man. Looky there. Rainforest. What? They got something like that in there? Nice. Look at these nice fishes in here. So let's see if we can see something. Yes, sir. Like TB or other serious bacterial, fungal, or viral infections. Nice. Some will fail. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms like fevers, sweats, chills, muscle aches, and cough. Had a vaccine or plan to. Or if IBD symptoms develop or worse. Serious allergic reactions and severe cancer. They're doing some feeding. Learn more at 1844% or Percentage.com. Man, I love this kind of stuff. Like, honestly. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything, let y'all see what I see, how I see it when I see it. Like I tell y'all, everything I do is live. You know, if I don't see it, y'all might not see it. Trying to get through here right and nice without being copyrighted. So yes, it was a great place to be at, to see, and everything else. I was trying not to get copyrighted because they was playing a lot of music in there, and it was a lot of things I wanted to see. Like, they actually had iguanas. It was a very big one, an old iguana. They had bearded dragons. They had all kinds of frogs, all kind of frogs that you can think of. They had plenty of bearded dragons and more. But I just wanted to check out, see how it was, and you know, check some things out, see some prices. But until next time, stay tuned in with me at Deep Reno West Kennels and Life. We out.